All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jose, and this is the IPO Nerd, the best place to learn about new companies going public and how to invest in them. Today, I got a special video for you guys. We're going to talk about the 8 reasons why companies choose to go public. My channel is mostly about IPOs. I do talk about different stocks and investment opportunities, but mainly I talk about IPOs. And you're probably wondering why IPOs are so important. How can I profit from IPOs? To take advantage of this and to understand all of this, you need to understand the reasons why companies choose to go public in the first place, all right? I ran a poll, and most of you guys got it right, correct? But today we're going to look at an article from LinkedIn. So make sure you drop a like, subscribe to the channel. And if you're new to the channel, thank you so much for joining in. And let's get right into it. All right, so here's the article, 8 reasons why you should list your business on the stock market by Amanda Attia. I'm going to leave a link in the description below to this article. Number 1, to increase your company's equity. All right, so there comes a point in a company's development when the initial or assisting shareholders won't provide the necessary capital to fund the company's expansion. This is the first and the number 1 reason why a lot of companies decide to go public and sell their shares, right? They want to keep growing and expanding their business. At this stage, an initial public offering or IPO may be the solution. By going public, the company can diversify the sources of financing, reinforcing its equity, and obtain a substantial cash position, securing its future investments and grow. This is reason number 1, a very important reason, and I would say 99% of the reason why a lot of the companies that I cover on this channel decide to go public, right? Number 2 is to increase liquidity for your financial, family, or minority shareholders. Going public provides the opportunity for the company's financial, family, or minority shareholders to sell shares at the time of the IPO or gradually once the company is listed. So once the company is listed, the people that own private shares, right, they go public. These shares normally explode in value. Like when Facebook went public, there was a lot of millionaires made, right? People that started with the company and received shares, private shares, for being part of the company. So this is another reason that a lot of companies decide to go public. Number 3, pay for acquisitions with shares. Sometimes companies do not want to, especially right now in this day and age where rates are so high, right, for business and personal loans. A lot of companies just maybe want to list, their companies to go public in order to pay for different acquisitions. Shares in a listed company are a negotiable trading currency. By listing on the stock exchange, a company can make acquisitions and finance them wholly or in part with shares to avoid excessive debt or need to use cash assets. So let's say a company has a lot of, cash asset on the cash balance or whatever, they don't want to use it. Maybe they can put up their shares as collateral. Or if you're trying to expand or acquire a different business or a company, something like that, you can put up your shares against, as collateral, or you can put them up as payment for acquiring a different company. So just another great reason to go public as well. So once the shares go public, they will be listed on your balance sheet. So it's going to increase the size of your balance sheet, right? Then you can use these shares as collateral and to leverage, whatever acquisition that you're trying to make. So very, very smart move. Reason number 4 is to structure the company's business and strategy. Going public is the opportunity for CEOs and senior management to review the company's growth, strategic issues, vision and goals, such as its place in the competitive environment, right? SWOT analysis, look it up. Success factors and a strategy for the coming years, because when you go public, you have to divulge all your financials and you have to align all your ducks in a row and file them up with the SEC. That gives CEOs the opportunity to actually open up the books, review the books, and make sure that they're going in the right direction. So it's a very good reason right here as far as like management. Reason number 5, open your company's share capital. With the IPO, you can welcome new shareholders into your capital. This stage should be considered an opportunity since new shareholders often bring with them new insights about the company's strategy sector. They can also open their network to help accelerate the business. When you go into the stock market, now you're bringing new investors with all backgrounds and all types of, experience in the business world that can help you expand and increase your income, increase your revenue, increase your company's opportunity to compete in the stock market or compete in the economy. So just a very, very good reason. Reason number 5. Do you guys agree? Let me know in the comments below. Reason number 6, to enhance the reputation of the business. This comes across as credibility as far as just putting it all there, transparency, very important. So your credibility as a business should be positively impacted by the publicity that comes with being listed. You can expect media coverage and visibility across financial markets all over Europe, all over the world, all over the US, everywhere, right? So this right here is a very good, it's free marketing, guys. I'm sure that you guys read before, Airbnb is going public, or this Bumble is going public, or this company is going public, and you get super excited. You can't wait for the day, right? You like mark it on your calendar. That's what my channel is all about. So it's not just you guys. You have institutional investors. You got, big hedge fund managers and everything. They get excited as well. They want to be part of it, So this is free marketing, guys. That's why a lot of the companies' valuations just shoot through the roof, right? So very, very good reason. Reason number 7, benefit from market exposure. Kind of like ties up into the last one, right? Another benefit is uplisting your visibility in the marketplace. Being part of the index increases your stock visibility to investors and can boost trading volumes. When you're listed and you're part of the S&P 500 or the QQQ or the NASDAQ, right? And stuff like that, you get more visibility. Your people know about your company. Now, instead of having thousands of eyeballs on your company, now you have millions and millions of people looking at your company, right? Reason number 8, attract new staff and boost employee retention. A lot of people will start working in the company, and could be a double-edged sword, guys. A lot of people like to keep companies private because it gives them a little bit more of a control over the company, right? Once you have shareholders, you have to answer to those shareholders, right? So going public is a unifying project which will involve your employees and be a source of motivation itself, resulting in retention and finally pride for the company. When your company goes public, your employees will be proud of it, right? They are part of something big, something that is very recognizable. Now, hiring new staff, it also makes it easier thanks to the boost in the company's reputation. If you have a good reputation, your company comes into the stock market, because not everybody can join the stock market, right? You have to go through the rigorous SEC investigations, through the rigorous IPO filing and all that. You have to file your S1, your F1s, and they have to be approved by the SEC. The SEC has to look at it in depth and make sure that there's no something fishy going on or nothing like that. Everything looks good. You open up the books, they let you in, right? So very, very good article, very interesting. I just wanted to share this with you guys. I thought that was interesting because my channel is all about IPOs, but you need to know why companies desire to join the stock market, right? What is the whole buzz about? Why is it so important about going public, right? What's the shiny object that they are trying to accomplish, and why is the reason that they're trying to go public? And I thought this article right here covered it very, very well. So thank you to Anthony Attia, right? Global head of the primary markets and post-trade Euronext. I'm going to leave a link in the description below here if you want to read a little bit more about this article. So what is your favorite reason why companies join the stock market? Let me know in the comments below, guys. As always, guys, if you like this video, make sure you drop a like, subscribe to the channel. But more important than that, make sure you guys take care of yourselves. And I'll see you soon.
I bring up the pain, Rickosaurus the main. I make the market rain like acid rain. An investing channel you ever known, ya. I take your girl, your house, your money, leave you broke, son.